What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's topic will be LayerBrett. This is the layer 2 on Ethereum, guys. They have pre-sale that is live right now. They have a truly cool ecosystem and they're developing something truly amazing. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, before we continue, you need to know that I'm not your financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice, and everything that I'm doing here is for your education and for your entertainment. That means that you need to do your own research before any investment of yours. With that said, let's continue, and you can see LayerBrett is in front of you. They're powered by LBRETT token or LBRETT, and the current price is 0.205. They already raised 1.7 million in the pre-sale, and the next price increase will be 0.0053. So for anyone who is willing to participate, stay tuned till the end of the video and you will understand why you want or why you don't want to participate. So they're unleashing the future of the blockchain. They're the layer 2 built on Ethereum. By scrolling down, you can find something about them. So LayerBrett, where innovations meet personality, which means that LayerBrett is no longer just another meme name in the crypto world. He's a symbol of transformation, breaking free from the ordinary and stepping into the new era of blockchain technology. This isn't just another layer 2, it's a movement built for speed, rewards, and a whole lot of chapter. They're designed for seamless transaction, also for interoperability, powered by LBRETT token. It creates an ecosystem where efficiency meets complete creativity. So this is the layer 2 blockchain that is built for the meme coins. Built on Ethereum, guys, which is truly amazing. Right now, Ethereum is the most favored altcoin, and they broke the all-time high. Right now, we will see where the end is, but I think it will not happen soon. So LayerBrett harnesses the power of Ethereum's layer 2 technology to deliver faster, cheaper, and scalable blockchain solutions. Seamless interoperability, which means that LayerBrett connects ecosystems with ease, allowing users to move assets quickly and securely across chains. There is double the rewards, so stake the breadth and earn enhanced rewards powered by the efficiency of the layer 2. Scalability, cutting-edge technology, which means that leveraging advanced layer 2 solutions, LayerBrett ensures lightning fast transactions without compromising on decentralization and security, and without extremely high fees that are on a layer 1 Ethereum blockchain are extremely expensive. Scalable and secure and community-driven visions, so empower the LayerBrett community with decentralized governments, ensuring every voice shape the future of LayerBrett. Now we're coming to the section where it is explained how to buy the token. So connect the wallet, any of the wallet that you want. They recommend the MetaMask wallet because it's the most common one. This is your gateway to the LayerBrett ecosystem. Make sure your wallet is loaded with Ethereum USDT, or you can use fiat card crypto payment if you want to participate. So for anyone who is willing to participate, stay tuned right now. After that, guys, selecting Ethereum USDT or credit card from the drop down menu, enter the amount you want to purchase and see the corresponding amount of LBRETT tokens. Secure your spot early and be part of the future of the blockchain innovation. Buy and stake. So buy and stake or buy now, depending on if you wish to stake or not. Confirm the transaction in the wallet once the pop-up appears. And you need to remember that you need to have enough funds in your wallet for the gas fees. We are coming to the Tokenomics, which is truly amazing. They have 10 billion of total supply. Contract address is right here. Ethereum is the blockchain, 18 decimals, and you can see for the 30% is going for the pre-sale, 25% for staking rewards, 15% for development and ecosystem, 10% for future exchange listings, 8% for the marketing, which is a great chunk of the tokens that is set as a reserve for the marketing, which is great to increase the exposure of the token. Community rewards 3%, 1% for charity impact, which is also great, and 5% for foundation reserve. By scrolling down, you can see some things why you want to participate and what are the pre-sale bonuses. So early adopters of LBRETT enjoy exclusive staking rewards, shape of the future of LBRETT through governments, which is the DAO. You can own LBRETT and benefit from the ultra low transaction fees, meaning more of your investment goes towards gains. And also, if you get in early with the pre-sale pricing, offering the lowest cost for LBRETT, secure your position before price surge. So that's on you, guys. I'm not here to encourage you to buy anything. I'm here to explain you the project. The rest is completely on you. So this is not just a meme, guys. This is a blockchain of revolution, and it's called LayerBrett. That's the layer 2 built on Ethereum. Faster transaction, community power, lower fees, seamless experience, and programmability. 1 million giveaway is coming soon, so stay tuned, guys. Stay updated how to do it. So Before we continue to the socials, right now in front of you is their roadmap where you can see for the 5 different pages, and in the first one, that is generally known, grow the Telegram, Twitter and other platforms, launch creative and daring marketing initiatives, adopt passionate community leaders and complete early pre-sale stage. The second one is launch of the LayerBrett website and socials, begin pre-sale and also kickstart marketing campaign. In the third phase, breakthrough, so achieve 50,000 plus members across socials, claim LayerBrett spot in the spotlight in the phase 4, officially launch of the LBRETT and bringing the full ecosystem online, introducing LBRETT scan governments and the layer 2 utilities, and also partner with developers and projects to expand the LayerBrett ecosystem, which is truly amazing, to strengthen their position in the market. And the infinite future is the phase number 5, which means that rollout of upgrades, partnerships and cross-chain integration, introduce community-driven governments to put power in the hands of users, which is great. Community will be much stronger in that position and more engaged, and also solidify Brett's position as the ultimate meme coin layer 2 blockchain. You can do the calculations right here if you're interested about that. Frequently asked questions are right here. They have also white paper where you can go and find out more about them. So that's on you guys. The next thing that I would like to show you is their social medias. The first one is the X, former Twitter. So follow them. They have already 5,000 followers, close to. They're tweeting a lot, 51 posts are there, so you'll be updated about the giveaways, about the other things that they are achieving through their pre-sale that is live right now, and you can also see all of their developments. Also, the other part is Telegram group, so they have 7,000 members, close to, and this is a place where you can connect with the community, where you can connect with developers and generally stay updated. So white paper is right here, guys. If you want to participate in the pre-sale, I explained you how. That decision is on you because I'm not your financial advisor. With that said, I will finish the video, guys. Please in the comment section below tell me what do you think about the Ethereum layer 2s, what do you think about Ethereum, and generally ask me any questions. I will answer you gladly. Please guys, stay safe in the crypto space. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.